Good afternoon. It's November 10th, 2018. My name's Dr. Hart, and I'd like to offer some comment on statistical significance and p-values. Statistical significance tells us which hypothesis to accept or reject. If the p-value is large, then we do not reject the null. The null, as you recall, says there's no difference between what's being compared, or no association between what's being compared, whereas the alternative says there is a difference or there is an association. So a small p-value would incline us to accept the alternative, whereas a large p-value says not to reject the null. Another definition that is commonly considered is the p-value tells us the probability that the result happened by chance alone. So a small p-value would say low probability that it happened by chance alone, that there was some effect involved, such as a treatment, whereas a high p-value would say the difference, if there is any, probably happened by chance. The p stands for probability. So when we talk about significance in the context of statistics, it has a particular meaning, and it centers on p-value as a result of statistical analysis. So how do we determine statistical significance? It's the p-value, and not just difference between numbers. If we think it's a big difference between numbers, we don't know if it's statistically significant without a p-value. Or if there were many patients in the study, that does not tell us about statistical significance either. Or only a few patients in the study does not tell us whether the study was statistically significant. So we have to have the p-value. Another number that is necessary when determining statistical significance is what's called the alpha level, or level of statistical significance, or can be considered as a cutoff. So researchers have their level of statistical significance before they start the study, before they do their analysis. Their analysis gives them the p-value. So two numbers. So a common alpha level is 0.05. So that number, they go in with the study and do their analysis, and if their p-value is 0.05 or lower, then their p-value is statistically significant. If they selected 0.05 alpha. But if they got 0.06, the 0.06 would not be statistically significant at the 0.05 level. So two numbers. The p-value the researchers get with their analysis, whereas the level of significance, or alpha, they predetermine that before they go into the study, before they do their analysis. So it's important to keep these concepts straight, and the word significance in the context of statistics has only one meaning, and that has to do with the p-value. The word significance is used in other contexts, like maybe shopping, and there's a sale and the price is reduced by 20%. Shoppers might call that significant, or the store owners might call it significant. That's something different. In statistics, it just has that one meaning, and it's based on the p-value, and whether it's the same as or lower than the level of significance that the researchers chose. Thank you.